Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Now I am going to speak about the word when. How and when we use it in English. The word when is a very common word in English and it can be used in several different ways. It mainly relates to time, but it also serves other purposes. Let's explore its main uses with examples. When as a time conjunction. About conjunction, I already uploaded the video. Please watch that video for better understand. It joins two clauses and shows that one action happens at the same time or immediately after another. So here see we have examples. When I finished the work, I went home. So here two action is happening. Okay. So we'll split it. We have two clauses here. When I finished work, this is adverbial clause of time, tells when the action happened. I went home, main clause, tells what the person did. So we are connecting two clauses with the help of when, and one is time clause and one is main clause. Okay, see the structure. When plus time clause plus main clause, or main clause plus when plus time clause. One more example over here. He smiled when he saw the surprise. So this is he smiled is a main clause. We are using when, and we have time clause. He saw the surprise. The next use, when as an interrogative adverb, for whenever we are making questions, so that time also we are using when. Used to ask about time or date. So when is your birthday? So here you are asking a date or day when his birthday, and here you are asking a question about time. When did you arrive? For this purpose also we are using when word. The next use of word as a relative adverb, used to give more information about a time or event. It connects the main clause to a dependent clause. So here you see example, I remember the day when we first met. So they are remembering that particular day when they met. So they are describing that special day. The fourth use of when word is to express condition, similar to if, sometimes used informally to talk about what happens in a certain condition. Example, you can see, when you heat ice, it melts. When it rains, the roads get slippery. If you heat ice, it melts. It's obviously okay. The You are sure about that. So whenever you are sure about that, so you, that in that case you can use, instead of if, you can use when. If you are not sure about that, in future events or in future anything, it can happen or not happen. If you are not sure, in that case you can use if. The last use of a when word is to mean at the same time, to describe two actions happening together. Example, you can see, when I was eating, she was reading. The lights went out when we were watching the movie. So here both actions happened at the same time. So these all are the uses of when word. To understand better, I just created a story. You please go through it. You can understand how, in which scenario, wherever the when word is used. Please watch and share my videos and subscribe to my channel for upcoming useful videos. Thank you.